Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I know you guys have been seeing this a lot on the internet. Like you've seen people using it from this to this and all of that, and you guys have been wondering, how can I get it, what's it for, and all of that. Today's video, Trend is going to show you how you can use this, even though I cannot pronounce the name, but it's a massager. Okay, I'm going to show you what this does, how it looks, and everything. By the way, I got it from Temu, and you can get it from Temu as well. It is really affordable to use. If you use my link, you're going to get a discount while getting this. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. So this is called the Gua Sha face lift slash massager, and basically this is what it looks like in there. So there are different colors, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty in it. Look at it. So this is the first one. What you want to do first of all is to apply some sort of moisturizer on your skin, and I'm saying some sort of moisturizer because you want your face to be hydrated. Some people use oil, but not everybody's skin is good for oil. I can use oil and I might have breakouts and all of that, but yes, so this is the first one. This is how it looks like, and so this is it, and it comes with it doesn't come with a battery, but it uses this battery, this normal clock battery. So you open it, put it in there, and lock. Oh, so when you've locked it, you see there are some things here, you on, off, and all of that. So when you want to use it, you twist it to on. Can you hear that? It's vibrating. And you want to use it to lift your face. Guys, this thing works so well. Korean people have been using this, and it is really popular now, and you can be seeing, especially if you're on TikTok, you're going to be seeing a lot of people using this, or using there's another one they use. So this, you just want to lift your face. So it's vibrating, and this helps with blood circulation, helps to lift the face, helps to make your face firm. So you go in like this. Like I said, I believe in the code, my code in the description box if you want to get this. So what I use for my face is a new facial cream, and I'm going to talk about it in the next video. You see it? Another thing too is that it is not it does not pain the skin. It's very nice. It's enjoyable. Honestly, someone could do this for me and I would really sleep. So like I said, it helps to lift the skin, give you that youthful and radiant skin. Also, you can use it for your eyes, like this, my under eye bag. So you can just go, although there's a smaller one, but you can use this for literally everything. Another thing too is you go like this and then you come down. This is going to make you like so young. So when you're buying it, don't expect to buy it with the battery. You just have to get your own battery, and the battery, like I said, is the clock kind of battery. This is another one. So to just remove it, you just twist and pull, and now we're going to attach this. So now you can see it. So now I'm going to turn it again and then go. So this one, I like to use it for my eye area to get that angry mark away from the skin. Guys, this is so relaxing. I'm not going to lie, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. It's so relaxing. So you can use this, like, I don't really know, I'm not going to lie about that, I don't really know how many times a week you're supposed to do it, but trust me, People tend to massage their face. People tend to massage their face like every day. So I'm gonna do it every day. But don't forget to like do it to lift the skin. And that is what it's for. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I pray that your new year be everything you've prayed for, everything you desire come to pass this year. And I'm wishing every one of you a beautiful 2025. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Smash the like button. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Like this video, please.